Hello everyone! Today we are going to prepare a delicious banana split. The ingredients are bananas, ice cream, whipped cream, cheese, cherries, and syrup, peaches and syrup, milk cream, white syrup, milk, and wafers.
The utensils are a bowl, a hand whisk, a grater, a knife, a spoon, and a plate. First, we mix the milk cream and the powdered milk in the bowl. Then, we whisk the mixture until it becomes thick.
After that, we grate some cheese and make a cheese base on the plate. Next, we add a little of the green mixture. Then, we cut the bananas and put them on the plate. We add more green mixture on top.
After you wait 20 spots of ice cream. Next, we add more cheese and denser and sour pears in the stew. Finally, when decorating with whipped cream, wafer, and the cherry on top, or banana split in reality. Thank you.